What is PostgreSQL? In this video, we are going to talk about PostgreSQL, what it is, why it is one of the most popular databases in the world, and why it is the database I use to power my web applications. What is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL, called Postgres, is a free open source relational database management system. It has been in active development for over 35 years and is widely considered one of the most advanced, stable, and feature-rich databases available. A relational database stores data in tables, rows, and columns, and uses SQL, structured query language, to query and manipulate that data. If you have ever worked with a spreadsheet, you already understand the basic concept. Each table has columns that define the type of data and rows that contain the actual data. Why PostgreSQL? There are many database options available: MySQL, SQLite, MongoDB, and more. Here's why PostgreSQL stands out. ACID compliance. PostgreSQL is fully ACID compliant. What does ACID mean? Atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. This means your data is always in a valid state. Transactions either complete fully or not at all. If something goes wrong mid-transaction, the database rolls back to the previous state. For financial data, orders, user accounts, anything where data integrity matters, this is critical. Advanced data types. PostgreSQL supports a rich set of data types beyond the basics. JSON and JSONB for document storage, arrays, UUID, geometric types, full text search, and more. You get the flexibility of a document database with the reliability of a relational database. Excellent performance. PostgreSQL handles complex queries, large data sets, and high concurrency extremely well. It has a sophisticated query planner and optimizer that makes even complex joins and aggregations fast. Extensibility. PostgreSQL is highly extensible. You can add custom functions, custom data types, and extensions. PostGIS for geospatial data, pgvector for AI embeddings, and TimescaleDB for time series data are just a few examples of the powerful extensions available. Open source and free. PostgreSQL is completely free and open source with no licensing costs. There is no enterprise tier required to access advanced features. Everything is available to everyone. Widely supported. Almost every major framework, ORM, and tool supports PostgreSQL. Directus, Prisma, Drizzle, Sequelize, Django, Rails, they all work with PostgreSQL out of the box. PostgreSQL versus MySQL. You may be wondering why PostgreSQL over MySQL. Both are excellent databases, but there are some key differences. PostgreSQL is more standards compliant and supports more advanced features out of the box. MySQL is slightly simpler to set up and has historically been faster for simple read-heavy loads. For modern web applications with complex data requirements, PostgreSQL is generally the better choice. Why I chose PostgreSQL? I chose PostgreSQL because it is the database that Directus recommends and works best with. It is also the database that most modern hosting platforms and tools support natively. It gives me full ACID compliance, advanced data types, and excellent performance. Everything I need for production web applications. PostgreSQL is a battle-tested, feature-rich, open source relational database that powers some of the world's largest applications. For modern web development, it is one of the safest and most capable choices available. In an upcoming video, we will deploy PostgreSQL alongside Directus on our VPS using Coolify. See you in the next video.